Hello. On the occasion of International Nurses Day, we have with us Shabani Patru. She is the sister in charge in Neel Ratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital, Kolkata, India. Thank you so much for joining us. To start the discussion, I would like to begin with the question, what is the condition of nurses in India?
Hi, good evening. Well, it is not answerable in a single word. There is huge gap of thought of our society regarding us. In this gap situation of corona, after doing continuous 8 day and 15 days our hospital service, when we are going back to home, our society, our neighbors, our family also not accepting us. It's really very much painful. There definitely discrimination is salary in proportion to our responsibility, our workload, our labor also. Yet, I want to say that nursing is such a noble profession which is not comparable with money. Taking care of sick people, which is gives us eternal satisfaction, which is gives us inspiration to provide 100% to mankind in spite all our business.
Thank you. For you mentioned a lot of issues, salary, and you mentioned how that nursing was a very noble issue. But are there any gender issues which nurses face in India?
Well, I would prefer to keep nursing is out of any gender discrimination. Because to serve people, you need mentality, heart, not any gender. I want to share that women are being harassed in many ways, in every profession, not only ours. It is the problem of the structure of the society and the mentality of that very person who is creating nuisance and harassment. On the other hand, it's definitely too much tough to balance the long working hours and our handling household activities. Yet, we don't want to cringe based on it. Actually, I think a nurse, such a person who can manage and take care the demand of the family in a supreme way.
In a supreme way, okay. But what kind of help have nurses received from the government, from the Indian government?
Maybe our government following a 7 pay scale, I think it's quite good. I personally have no objection at all.
Okay.
Rather, I appreciate our CM about her role to improvement our health sector. And we are provided health scheme system, cashless health scheme system, provident fund, and pension system also by government. I think it's okay.
What are some initiatives that should be taken to empower nurses and to make sure they stand out in society and they get more respect?
Well, there are many aspects. Firstly, my clear-cut suggestion to the society, please stop thinking as Aya, maid, compounder, etc. We are in distinct profession with certain protocols. And so many of us don't about the terms of nursing diagnosis. Where is a patient inspected and diagnosed clinically by a nursing personnel? to assess and give proper nursing care. I want to enhance that part. Secondly, our government recruiting huge nursing personnel. It is the good side of health sector, but we need more staff to provide better service. After that, we need more training in basic and advanced life-saving skills, such as NICU, ICU, ITU, trauma care, and posting should be given accordingly, so that we can utilize our knowledge and skills for the betterment of our society. And after that, majority nursing personnel are women. So we have equal responsibility to our patient, and our children also. I think government should run creches in all hospitals. It is very much essential for us. And posting should be nearby. I believe they should provide opportunity to enhance them. I have a YouTube channel of nurses, Ami Devdatta Bolchi, and a foundation. Apart, many of them serve for mankind by their social work.
So these are very simple requests. You want the government to provide creches for your children. You want proper posting and proper training. That was a very good insight into the quality of treatment of nurses in the healthcare system of India. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.